Hello everyone and welcome back to Will Scripts. So today I will be showing you on how to make a spawner, like for a car. So open up Roblox Studio. You can choose either baseplate you want. I don't really care. So I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with the classic baseplate. So I made this. So I will publish this for you guys. One second. Okay. Alright. So once you have this, want to go to your toolbox and type in, oh my gosh, what the heck, car spawner. It should be right here, car spawner A. Click OK. Then you can rotate it how you want. Hold up. It's gonna take a while. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So place it like this. Move it. Then you can go back on my model and get rid of the 3D text object because you're already like spawning a car. So let's go with a staff car, for example. Let's go with this one. So this is an administrator car. I'm gonna rotate it real quick. Place it onto pad. Rename it to anything, but make sure it's without a space, or otherwise it won't work. Okay, so now you've done that. Drag it. I'll make sure it's on the pad first. Drag the staff car into server storage. Now you can use a car spawner. Open that up. Screen part, screen GUI, scrolling frame, and it should be the first one here. So after you open this first one, open car spawn button, spawn seed, and right here change Crown Vic to your car name. Mine Staff Explorer. Now you can exit out of that. Next, go to text label. Scroll down on properties. And text. You're going to do it however you want. And this time it can be with a space. Okay, so now, just to like not confuse others, open these other ones. Because all these have like car name, and you don't want that. So you can just go into text and press your space bar and enter on all of these. And if you have like more cars, it's alright. You can change like any of the spaces to your car. Okay, so make sure you do not delete car dealership. Okay, let's close all these back up. Okay, so now you got that. Now you can playtest it. So click car spawn car, my bad, and click staff explorer. Okay, click staff explorer, and now your car spawner should work. As you can see, it works very well. You can spawn multiple, but make sure they are not like on top of each other. So you can spawn another one, but make sure they're like not on top of each other, as you can see. And now my computer's lagging. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And leave a like, comment, subscribe. Oh, you can do that if you want. I'm not forcing you. And have an amazing night or day.